Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. I'll be teaching you one-on-one on how to cancel your Google Ads account. So you need to come to Tools and Settings, then head to Preference. Then once you head to Preference, you will be able to see that the account status is active. You'll be able to open. You see account status is active. Then to stop the ads, try pausing the campaigns. If you cancel your account, your ad will stop running and you will receive final bill within 60 days. I want to cancel my account. I want to cancel this account. Yes, I'll say cancel account. Once I say I cancel the account, it will say reactivate my account, and I know I've got a Google update telling me that my account has already been cancelled. So I'll come here and look at it. I can see it is telling me that Google account was cancelled. Your account was cancelled, and it stops ads in we showing in 24 hours. If you have money left, you will be refunded in 4 weeks time. Thank you.